What's up, guys? It's John Spier Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today I want to show you guys how to make a little copper scorpion. This little guy is pretty slick. Has a couple different uses. It could be a pin or a cigar holder. It's a good little gift all around. I even use them as like truck ornaments. Like you throw them on the grill and just like pinch the feet in so it grabs onto it. Pretty cool though. I just thought I'd show you guys since the holidays are coming up, and if you guys are strapped on cash, then perfect gift idea. Today I'm just gonna be showing it with just like some scrap wire, easy peasy stuff. We're gonna get this thing off my ugly mug though, so I can show you guys, you know, just on a hand's view of how to do everything. So first things first, we want to separate this thing into a couple different pieces, okay? So the first little section is going to have 6. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is perfect because that'll be that. And then the next section is going to be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. Alright. So one section's 8, one section's 6. So with the 6s, what you're gonna do is kind of do like a quick little twist. You just kind of cigarette pack them is what I call it. Not too crazy tight, but pretty reasonable where they're gonna stick together. Kind of like that. It's perfect. Just so it's a nice like even keeled type of deal. And you're gonna grab it. You're gonna grab one of these, one of your 8. Put your index finger right in the middle, go up and over and make a little wrap, okay? And you're going to do this exact same process 7 more times, okay? So down, over, tighten, next. 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 So now that you have a situation like this, you kind of want to squeeze this thing up so it's like right in the middle. What I like to do to tighten it up is kind of push them together, do a little number like that. Alright, so next thing you're going to do is grab the very bottom, go over here, wrap it all the way around top so you can see it going up, and then you're going to want it to come right down over here. So boom, you want it over the last one, okay? So it looks like that, and then you're going to grab that same one and do the same thing, just the opposite direction. So you make a crisscross type of situation, and you're going to do that with the next one in line, and you're going to continue this process 7 more times. And this kind of creates its back, its butt, and its rib cage type of deal. And what's the next one in line? This little guy. And we're going to do you. to our whites. Yeah. And this is like a great little gift for family member, friend, boss, whatever. You can usually throw it on like your desk or on your hood or really wherever you want. People love these little things. Um, you know, because it looks extremely hard, but once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad. So, finishing up. Alright. Getting towards the end, got one to go. And boom. So now you should have a top portion that looks like this, and then a back portion that looks like this. Okay? Alright, so now that it's kind of like perfectly in the middle, right? So that's exactly what we want it to be. So let's work on the tail first. So basically you want to be able to use 3 and then keep 3. So what I like to do is just kind of wrap these little guys as tight as possible. About that. 3 wraps is more than enough. Then go up a finger, or a thumb I guess, wrap it, and then a finger, one more time, and wrap it, and then you're left with 3 left. So whatever the longest one is that comes in this pile is the one you want to keep for your middle guy. Alright, now that we got that done, so now we kind of make our little trident, and then what we're going to do is kind of bend them in, and then leave it like that for a second, okay? And then we'll do some finesse work a little bit later. And then on its arms, you get the 2 that are on top, and then separate them like that. And we're going to twist it, okay? And then just make some like little claw deals. Alright, same thing, twist it. Alright, so we're going to twist it, and then do this little guy, this little guy. Alright, and then with this little guy, we're going to save this one towards the end. And then with its legs, we're going to twist them all together just as much as you can. And then just go in pairs. So you end up with 4 at the end on each side. Okay. Do this little side. Alright, so now we can start the trim out process. So, at this point it should look something pretty similar to this. So trimming out, let's always kind of start where you first were doing. So you grab that, tighten it down. I'm just using standard needle nose. Alright, so grabbing needle nose, and trimming, and then we're going to punch the little guy in. Same thing with this guy. Trim and pinch, and top part we're going to go at an angle. Alright, so next step is to grab its little antennas, bring them down, cut it off. So we got that, we got our head in. What we're going to do is make the little arms, so just kind of pin them up in a fighting position. And we're going to trim it, trim, trim, and trim. Get them nice and straight. Put these guys straight up. The little legs straight up. Okay. We're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And same thing on this side. And then we're gonna start trimming all these little guys so get them in the placement you want them. And trim, trim, trim. Alright, now that you got that, right here at the butt, yeah, kind of roll it in. Get this guy in the perfect little stance. Put his arms back to normal. And there you guys go. Got yourself a little scorpion. Hope you guys like this video. This is Warhammer. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Please like, subscribe.